In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use page sections on Squarespace. If you're building a page in Squarespace, sections are the building blocks that let you organize content and control the layout. And let's start by getting into your site. Log into your Squarespace account, then open your site's dashboard. From there, click Website to access your site structure, and then click Pages. Choose the page you want to work on and open it in the editor by clicking Edit. This puts you into the place where you can add, arrange, and style everything you see on the page. To add a new section, hover between existing sections until you see the Add Section button, then click it. You'll get a panel of pre-designed options grouped by purpose like banners, galleries, or contact sections, or you can add a blank section if you prefer full control. Templates are great for speed and consistency, while a blank canvas is perfect for custom layouts. Once your new section appears, you'll be in edit mode. Click Add Block inside that section to insert content. Choose the type of block you need: text, image, button, video, form, and more. After adding a block, use the drag handles to position it on the section's grid. You can resize by pulling the edges and use the snap guides to align elements for a clean look. If you're using the Fluid Engine editor, you can even layer blocks on top of each other to create more dynamic compositions, like text over images or decorative accents behind headings. Just keep readability in mind. To fine-tune the section itself, click the section background and select Edit Section. Here you can adjust the number of rows or the overall grid height to create more or less space for your blocks. You can also set a background image or video and change the color theme. Choose backgrounds that provide enough contrast with your text, and remember that large media files can affect load time, so optimize when possible. Reordering your layout is easy. Hover over any section and use the up and down arrows to move it higher or lower on the page. If you've created a section you love, use the duplicate option to copy it instantly and keep your design consistent. For visual separation, open the section editor and add a divider. You can customize its style to create gentle spacing or a stronger break between content areas. When everything looks good, click Save to keep your changes. And that's it. Using sections, blocks, and the section settings, you can build flexible, polished pages that are easy to manage over time.